We got this one in today for a rodent inspection, rodent abatement project. This gentleman is finding some nesting under his hood and some wires chewed and little damage to hoses and whatnot. So we're going to do a inspection across the whole car and find out what's inhabiting this car and see what we could do to get rid of them as much as we can, or disinfect the whole area if nothing else. So stay tuned. So we are seeing some chewing going on here. This is kind of consistent, and we've been finding these kind of materials being chewed up, that rubber and insulation. You see poop along here and pee. Yeah. The tires over here checking under the hood for any signs of they're inhabiting different parts of the engine bay, and Mike is prepping the engine for the disinfecting service and denesting.
This is in a disclosed part of the engine. This part can only be accessed to this small hole.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah. Okay.
See?
What is that, popcorn or insulation?
Okay.
Insulation?
Insulation, see, that's a little bit of food.
Yeah.
The yellowing is a P.
P, yeah. Insulation. Yes, sir. So they're pretty much all in the cabins of the car, but you can't hardly get to them. But you can see, plainly see that they are been in there, poop in there, nesting is in there. Finding that their hiding spots were inaccessible, we had to come up with a plan to get the stuff out of there. Are we gonna be able to get in there though?
With the yellow hose. The orange hose.
Yeah, we want to get in there with the yellow hose. But that's what he's finding in there.
Just like in a disclosed part. They look like they're on the same side.
Ghetto ingenuity. So we sweeping the stuff towards the hole down here, put the vacuum up to the hole. We get it little by little. That's the only way to get it out of this little tight area. As in always, we want to protect what may get exposed to the water. So we're covering up alternator in this case. The rest of the boxes are covered already. We're just going to be careful around them. There's no reason to seal them. Hold on, Mike. Okay. So, a lot of mechanics will not work on your car until it's professionally cleaned and disinfected. So that's exactly why we offer this service. So this is the after. The area that had all of that nesting and poop, it was all covered. This stuff was all covered with nesting and poop. As you can see, it's clear now. Even though we couldn't get down in there, we made a way to get it out with some ghetto ingenuity. This genius dude right here, always figuring out a way to make it happen.
My name is John, and I had Excellence Auto Beauty do a rodent abatement and engine cleaning in my car, and they did a fantastic job. Because the rodents were in my car chewing up wiring and all kinds of stuff. And I found them just by doing a Google search, and they did a good job.
Excellency Auto Beauty.